my colleague here, I am a baker. I'm still a baker. It is not that I was once a baker. No, I am a baker and I will be a baker for life.
Ilé-iṣẹ́ búrẹ́dì tí olóyìnbó pè ní bakery tí a wá ń pe orúkọ ẹ̀ ní the Lala bakery. Wàá rí bá ti ṣe o, wàá rọ́nà gbé gbà o, ojú ò ní tì ẹ́ o, ebi ò ní pa ẹ́ o. Bakery yìí ó túbọ̀ máa là sí ní o. Ọ̀nà so many business ideas ló máa jẹyọ láti bí yìí. Gbogbo àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ ń wọlé bí wọ́n máa patronize ẹ síre, wọ́n máa patronize ẹ sáyọ̀. Wàá wá máa nílọ síwájú oníjó àjórẹ̀yìn ní orúkọ Elédùmarè ọba wa tó dá wa sí. Jésù Olúwa wa, Sẹ̀lú Alánàbíl Kárí. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ti rọ̀ mọ́sẹ̀, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ ti rọ̀ mọ́sẹ̀. Ó ti níbẹ̀ ó ti ṣe kí ni? Lala dìde máa lọ tiẹ̀ ò ní problem. Ìjẹ̀bú.
I've been doing this before I became Lala. I've been doing this before I became any fucking name that I'm hearing today, apart from the one my mother gave me or my parents gave me. So I am a baker and I'm going to bake a nice bread for you guys. See, you know that for me to put my name on the label, it is not a joke. Because you know how long it took me before I built the name. So bread is in me. I am the bread, and the bread is in me. When you go to school, lady, wàá rí bread mi bẹ́ẹ̀. Kí ni lórúkọ ẹ̀? Kòsósì bread. Ẹ ti máa gbọ́. Láti Àgùdà, títí Adétọ́lá, Pákó, Ayétòrò, Ìjẹ̀ṣà, wọ́n ń jẹ bread mi láti 25 years ago. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá mi sí, ṣé mo sì okay, tí n bá sì sí bọ́lá méjì. Láti 1995 mélòó nìyẹn? Mélòó nìyẹn? Pẹ̀lú ògùn Ọlọ́run. We've been together for a very long time, but they surprised me because I don't even send them invitation. But they just surprised me. But when I saw them, especially Omobanke, because someone asked me today that, where is Taiwo? Because they know that both of us 5 and 6. So where is Taiwo? I said, Taiwo. Me Sofu. But when I was coming down from the upstairs side and I saw him, and I said, Ibolo Yawiri. Omobanke, God bless you. Like Barolo, Amama Koki. And for some people, you are surprised. Somebody who Banija, and today, Somolu Barika Lala Osha Odun apá lè fi òòṣà sí ẹ̀yẹ̀dẹ̀. Àmọ́ àyè sì gbà mí láti fọmọ ìyá onílá síbẹ̀. Ẹ má worry. The next one is going to be the Lala bakery ọmọ ìyá onílá. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your presence today. I'm overwhelmed with joy because it is not easy putting something like this together. I put it to the Allah that Allah help me. I want to do this, and God helped me, and this is where we are today. And I'm happy. It is not about money. If you give me 100 million, you give me anything, whatever, any amount you can give me today, that will worth your presence here today. I'm telling you. On Melanie and I have people, a lot of people. But when I'm doing my things, I put it like freelance. Some people are there still expecting that when they saw this thing, some people they messaged me, why you didn't invite us, this, that. But it is God doing. So what I really appreciate your presence today. By God's grace, when you are going back to where you come from, by God's grace, you will meet your home with grace, with anything. You won't see any bad thing when you go home. So thank you very much. Ọmọ ìyá onílá Muyideen Oladapo ó fi àsìkò yìí sọ pé ẹ ṣe.